strength to be happy.
Yo, yo. Can you guys hear me? Good morning. How we doing? Okay, I am dusting off all the settings here, making sure we are good to go. Let me know if you guys can see. Cheers, everybody. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Let's see how this goes. We are trading NQ futures. What I need is to be able to let's just rock and roll, man. Time is 7:52. Market opened up about 22 minutes ago. Really, we're just looking to see which direction we're going here. We've been falling, right? So market has been coming down. Market has been pushing down, pulled up here, broke these lows again, pulled back up. Looks like it retested this broken level of support, coming back down. You know what, guys? We got to send out the notification. How did you guys get the notification on here? Like, oh shit. Can you guys hear me okay? LB is back. We are back. Took a nice little vacay. Not even a vacay. I just was focusing on some personal things. My son was born, and I've just been keeping to myself, guys. Trading for myself, trading on my own time. We are back. Oh shit! Oops. Yeah, I've been just focusing on myself, focusing on my family. But we're back. Missed you guys. bro. I gave no heads up. I just jumped on. I said, you know what? It's April 1st. I'm trading futures now. And let's do this. Let's do this with the fam. Let's get back into it. Alright, so what are we going to do here? We know we've been going down. We know we've been pushing up for what looks like to be like a retest type of thing. Just gonna go with like 5 contracts. I really just want to get a test for, I want to test the water, see how we're moving here. Honestly, like here's the opening range, bottom and the top. Looks like we poked right above there, wicked out, and then are pushing back in. We are pushing to the downside overall, so I would say we are bearish, but it looks like I mean right here I wouldn't sell it. I wouldn't get into this entry, and I wouldn't try to buy it here just because overall we are pushing down, and it looks like here we have this little trend right there, so we could be coming, you know, down to test this here, and then maybe create a lower high before we break it, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I don't know what you guys are looking at. If you guys are looking at something different, let me know. First of all, you guys can hear me, right? Like I'm not talking to myself. You guys can definitely hear me, or no? Let me know in the chat. It'll be good to see you back. Missed it too, brother. We are back. Let's see what we can do with this market. If I could get like a nice little pullback here, I might want to sell it. But let's watch this for a little bit. We're on the 2-minute. We're watching NQ. Watching NQ. See, we're getting a nice little pullback there. It's a 5-minute look like. Okay. 5 minutes, not bad, not bad. Because yesterday we just pushed up basically all day. This was open, pulled down, pushed up. See, and this could be a market structure shift, right? Because we're coming down here, we broke here, we retested, pushed up, pulled back, still created high highs. But now we broke these levels, except for this downside. So I really do think it's going to move to the downside here. What up, CJ? Alright, actually I think I'm going to take a sell here, guys. I really do like the sell, especially if I can put my stops right up over here. So I'm going to jump in there for a sell. And just going in with 5 contracts, nothing too big. And ideally I would just like to see maybe about 10-15 points to the downside before I take this off. Let's see what we do here. This is, I was waiting for it to pull back a bit here, and if we can hold this as resistance, this opening range, that's what I want to see. If I see this start breaking out, then I'll probably close it out. Come on, baby. Nice. Oh, come on now. Okay, it's moving a little crazy. So I closed that out. That was moving super crazy. I think we got news happening. Let me pull that up. We got PMI happening, and that's why the market's going a little crazy. That was a little insane. morning. So that was our first trade of the day. We took like, I don't know, I think it was like 10, 15 points. I'll put this on so you can see executions. Yeah, it ended up just being 3 points because of the news, like how much that thing went crazy. I'm not opposed to taking another trade, but I want to see how things shake out with the news. So I may just hold off a bit. Yeah, that thing was moving so fast. I closed out at $1,800 profit, and it closed me out at 250. It's still pushed down. You see, it's still, excuse me, held this as resistance and pushed down. But now we're at that trend line here. So this is really what I want to see. I don't want to sell. I want to sell, but I don't want to sell here. I'd much rather this be a little higher before I sell. Wop, 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 wop. How's everybody doing, man? It's been a while. It's been almost a year since my last live stream. Look at this pushback. This is kind of what I wanted to see, and we might just look at. I really don't want to buy though. Still trading within that range. I did want to take a sell there, but let's see what this next candle brings us, because it's still kind of reacting to that news. Like the last, look at the 5-minute candle with these huge wicks. I want to see a little bit more structure. I want to see more structure. How you been, CJ? Welcome back. Welcome back. I don't know what you're trading, but I'm trading futures now. I have moved to the CME market, and it's been a little bit of a transition, but it's been exciting. Alright, so you see this broke to the low, didn't break the high. It's a bullish candle within the bearish candle. Yep. We still got 4 minutes. Trying to be a little disciplined here, guys. Easing back into doing the live trading. I haven't live traded in a very long time. But we're here. We are here. I really do think it's gonna jump to the downside. Unless it's completely shifted here. Yeah, I mean, I think it pushes lower than 282 here. At least retest it. Breaking through. That's what I wanted to see. It's gonna reject from here. Look at that. It's bouncing off that trend line. Look at that. Hold right back above it. I can't hear shit. Let's go. Look, it's 30 seconds. It's not breaking this low. I think this is gonna push up. 20 seconds. If it closes above this trend line, I'm probably gonna buy it. Just right to pull up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I'm just scalping for 10-15 points, guys. I'm already up 5 or 3 or some shit like that. 2, 1. I'm gonna buy that. Bought it. Just gonna do a quick write up. So at 350. Just gonna take 10 points here. Come on, baby. Take the fucking money. Got it. I closed it out right there. It's too close. I'm not gonna let it mess with me. So that is nice little win there. We did what? 4 points there and 3 points there. 7 points. So not too bad, but I wanted. What's up, Banks? What up, hello, teacher? How's it going? How's it going? Oh. Two small, quick wins. What are we looking at now? See, look at this melt. Definitely broke this. Now, if we wait for a pullback, we can get in for a sell. That's the original move that I wanted. I knew it was gonna wake up a bit for that quick buy for a scalp, but the big move is here in this sell. Look at this. Boom, boom. Retest this opening of yesterday. Like Nasdaq as well. Well, yeah, we had PMI news come out in the morning at 9. It went all over the place. Yeah, man. Honestly, like, I want this to pull back. I think I'm gonna take a sell here, guys. Yeah, taking a sell here, guys. I'm gonna just go for 10 points. Yeah. Oh, there it is. My 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 6 points there. This thing is moving fast, guys. Like, I'm closing out at 10, and it's like the slippage is about 4 points. So be careful playing with these markets, guys. Like, I'm sure you guys are trying to follow along with me, but you need to just not do that, because I know there's a lag in the video. But that's 3 wins right there. We had a sell here, we had a quick buy here, and then another sell here. The buy is going against the trend, but I wanted that quick. I honestly thought it was going to go higher, and good thing I got out of that pretty quickly. This thing is still melting here. I mean, if I would have stayed in that 323, I mean, we're down already. That would have been what, 30 points, about 30 points. So, you know, you can hold on a little more if you want. I'm just going in and out quickly. Overall, I did want this to come to the downside. We've broken out the opening range here. So a good play would be waiting for this to pull back to test this opening range before it comes down further. Right now, it's still pulling back. The way I like to think about it is this push down here is going to tell you where your potential take profit is, right? And then just wait for the pullback. And then when you see a reversal, your entry price, then enter, put your stops, and then target the original like the original push down, right? Because the way you got to think about it is on a higher time frame, that's a wick that will be filled for the most part. It's a good strategy, but to each his own. Do what you want to do. Just thought I'd drop that little gem there. First day back, guys. April 1st, 2025. Welcome to the new live stream. Should we do this daily, guys, or what? What do you guys think? Yes or no? April Fools. Right, I thought about it. I thought about doing that when I turned on the stream and it was like 10 minutes waiting. I thought about just putting a text up there playing like April Fools, but no, I really missed like doing live streams and hanging out with the community and the fam, and just, you know, that routine. trading alone by itself, it can get lonely and it can get boring and it can get systematic. And although I was still trading, like I like to incorporate family time and my personal time and all that stuff. But trading live with you guys has always been one of my favorite things to do. So I've moved to futures as well. Nice. CJ, long time. Yeah, man. It's just it worked out better for me because I've moved into a regulated broker. The regulated broker and the regulated exchange that has pricing across the board. Like, it is a standard, so like it is just a lot easier for me. It was just a little different, changing the frame of mind from lots and position sizing in Forex to contracts and the assets offered for trading in futures, right? One of my favorite things to trade still has been gold, but because it's a little different, like I've moved to focus on NQ. I've only been trading for probably the past year. I've only been trading NQ because I started trading futures I started trading futures last year in May. So for the first couple months was kind of a learning experience, and so we got these wicks back, right? But I don't know. I'll put a little sell in here, just in case we decide to keep going down. I put a sell stop at 288 because I still think this is going to push down. As long as there's no crybabies. What do you mean, crybabies? Who's crying? Who's being a crybaby? I like this showing that push to the downside, that pressure to the downside. Obviously, if we start breaking this high, then I'll cancel out that sell order. But let's see what happens. We're 3 for 3 today on the stream. Let's see what we can make happen here. I'm just putting a 10-point take profit, like 288 to 277. Well, it should be 278, but you get it. Long time no see, man. Yeah, it's been a minute. How you guys been? How's everybody doing? There we go. We are in this trade. Come on, push down, baby. Oh, not up. Oof. Oof. She's really gonna just do that to me? Oof. Look at that. Jeez. Just looking for a nice little push down to the downside here. There we go. And we won that one. So what is that? 4 for 4. 4 for 4 so far. And this was what? 88 to 77, so 10, 11 points. 11 points there. 23 to 17. What is that? 6 points. So 11, 6, 17 points. Plus another 4. I mean, is she still melting? 17, 4, 21. And then this one was 3, so 24. About 25 points on the day. Not a bad day. And I'm not gonna push it, guys. I'm just keeping it simple. Just going in. Remember, like, I'm not trying to hit Hail Mary wins. I'm just trying to make some money. I'd much rather make a little money consistently than, you know, hitting home runs. Can you guys hear me okay? Volume okay? Background noise okay? Let's fine tune this baby up. Look at that push back. Wow. Wow. If this retest here, it's a nice opportunity. So. Nice opportunity to sell. I don't think I'm going to trade it. This thing is blowing through. I wouldn't trust that retest. I would be careful here. It has a lot of strength. It has a lot of power to the upside, guys. A lot. So, 2 minute here, 5 do like though. I like this here. Let's see what this is. Too many candles. Maybe. If I like the setup. We got about a minute and 20 seconds. We may take one more trade, make it 5 for 5. Uh-oh, my son is awake. My son is awake. Oh yeah, I do. I actually do like this. Ooh, I do like this. I think I'm gonna size down though. I'm just gonna use 2 contracts. 2 contracts. Something light. 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. If this closes like this bearish, I'm probably going to sell it. Wait. This is too much. Doing too much. Wait, what? Why is my order rejected? Is there like news coming? this is going to probably contest this. May even break this up here. What do you guys think? Should we buy it or should we sell it? Oh man, my stream is... You know what? I think we're just gonna end it there, guys, with our quick wins for the day. I'm gonna clean up settings and work on this for our stream tomorrow, and we'll keep it going. Okay. Much love, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.